Hello, my name is Eliseo Ruiz. I live in Bogota City. I am a fifth semester student of LIPI at UNAT, and this is my routine. Um, I get up every day at 5 a.m. Except weekends when I wake up at 7 in the morning. Uh, I make I make my bed, brush my teeth, and take a shower. I have my breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I wash the dishes. I start to wash some clothes so that they don't accumulate, and sit down to study for about 3 hours. At 11:30, I prepare lunch and keep an eye on my children who are preschool age and study virtually. They always need uh, help from home. At 2 p.m., we had lunch together. I have the opportunity to go back to sitting down to study for another 2 hours. And I am going to organize dinner and put them to sleep around 8 p.m. They are already resting. So I take the opportunity to organize a kitchen and do some cleaning before I go to bed. Sometimes I study until 11 p.m. To get some college work done, and because studying during the day is quite difficult to concentrate due to the children classes and the music that the neighbors play at high uh, volume. The truth is there is sometimes that I hate this noise and not being able to concentrate, because of it makes me go to bed at the time. Uh, no, 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 because uh, no, because of the quarantine. I hardly go out to bed at the time. Um, Excuse me. Now, because of the quarantine, I hardly got out. But when they were studying, I went to pick them up from school, and it was quite stressful because I live in the city of Bogota. This is uh, driving stressful and exhausting. Thank you. This was my presentation.